I've been using this product for years to outsource my data mailer, and I check it at the end, and it turns out everybody else wants to use it too.
You know what this is too? It's all in the name of being more efficient.
Yeah.
And taking
Faster, better, cheaper.
Yeah.
Steve and Jill here.
Hi.
Welcome to the Land Academy Show, entertaining land investment talk. I'm Steve and Jack Patella.
And I'm Jill DeWitt, broadcasting from the Valley of the Sun.
Today's topic, top performing members and how they are outsourcing to Concierge Mailer.
You please explain, this is your baby.
Concierge Data or Concierge Mailer or Concierge Pricing, they're all the same product. So what we've been, if you're following us at all, you know that we're big fans of outsourcing what you can without sacrificing quality to make your life more efficient and to make your work life more efficient and just to really focus on the stuff that makes you good at what you do, which is making decisions on whether you should buy property, how much you should sell it for, the big picture stuff without going through all the mechanics. Well, there's two huge components to send to Land Academy or to sending out blind mailer campaign. Number one is my side, pull all the data, analyze it, scrub it, and ultimately price it, make sure you're picking the right county. Well, Concierge Mailer does all that. I've been using Concierge Mailer long before it was ever called that. It was me and a guy that works for us. I say, please go, I've done the red, green, yellow test. Please pull all the data for this county, scrub out this, and this. This is exactly how I want it. And then do the best you can from a pricing standpoint. And then I'm going to check it when you're done. And please give me as many notes as you can about, hey, watch out for this area. While I was scrubbing, I saw this. Just letting you know, I took this out, this out, this out. I left all the churches in, church-owned property or nonprofit property like you asked me. I took out the industrial property. So that's Concierge Mailer. You just put your order in. It's a custom situation. And then at the end, there's a default pricing scenario that we all default to. Not that I'm saying you should use that. So that's what it is. And to our surprise, and Jill probably can take it from here, when we were asking about it, the person who runs everything, Aaron, the education company said like 4 or 5 of our top producing members are now using Concierge Data, which really shocked me because I originally developed this product to help people who are struggling with that part, with the data part and the scrubbing and all that. To kind of outsource it so that they don't have to struggle, so they can, maybe they're, great salespeople like Joe and they just don't want to deal with it. It was the opposite.
Yeah, that's true. I thought it was going to be like more of a newbie product. Like, hey, don't worry about it. We got you covered. Like then one of the newbie things was, oh my God, mail merges make my head hurt. Like, don't worry about it. We'll handle that. We'll do the mail merge for you. It is easy to goof it up and get a line or column off and all that kind of thing. So we took that over. So this is just like a top level thing. We'll extract the data so you don't even have to, think about that. And like you said, everything, and get it to that end thing where you just say, all right, now I want to come in at this price of this, take off this percentage. That's going to be my offer price. And so, but yeah, it's so funny that these advanced members who are seasoned pros, they do this with their eyes closed.
So I'm a seasoned
They've been
pro.
doing it this way for years. They've been doing their own stuff for years. And they're like, you know what? I see the value here. I am a seasoned pro, but now I don't have to do it. That's the huge, huge, awesome benefit. So yes, you are a seasoned pro. You're a seasoned pro about a lot of things.
No, I'm not bragging. I'm not bragging. I'm just saying I'm trying to make my stuff more efficient too. I don't want to sit down, and this is at this point in my career, believe me, I do not want to sit down. I do run the red, green, yellow test myself. I actually enjoy that part of it. But once I find
the counties,
a county or a zip code, I send it to Concierge Data and they do it all, usually with pretty quick turnaround, 1 or 2 days. And it all comes back and then I'll check for flaws and test for reason. And maybe I'll reprice it, certain sections of it and do whatever. But it takes the grunt work out of it.
100%.
I mean, there's grunt work in every project. I don't care if you're building a house or, renovating a car.
I thought you said renovating a house. Oh no.
there's in the middle of every project, there's like just the grunt work. It takes it forever. That's what this is. It removes it for you.
This is just another thing too, that while we're talking about it, I'm going to end on this for me, which is we listen. What other ideas have you got? What else is slowing you down? And we want to help you.
There's a section in Discord, Land Academy Discord, where existing members, it's called resource sharing. And then there's another one called topic requests. And so that's where I get a lot of these topics, and a lot of the questions, quite honestly, that we talk about in the podcast are from there. And this is one.
Excellent.
I get a lot of requests for this.
Excellent. Need to send out a few thousand offers to property owners like us? check out offers and the number 2 owners.com. So it's offers2owners.com. No setup fees, free mail merge, exceptional service, and now including just released for everyone, concierge data and pricing. It's awesome. Give Offers to Owners a call today. Happy you could join us today. 5 days a week, you can find us right here on the Land Academy Show. We are Steve and Jill.
Information
and inspiration
to buy undervalued property.
We hope you found our content valuable and we appreciate your support. If you have not already, please check out our channel and hit the subscribe button.
And your comments and suggestions help us to create the content you're here for. Hitting the like button helps to support our channel's algorithm and gauge your interest for future shows.